Think you're using your car's fuel efficiently? Think again. The average car owner wastes a staggering 50% of their fuel due to inefficient consumption. That's right, half of your fuel budget, poof, up in smoke. This isn't just a dent in your wallet, it's a gaping hole. A hole that could have been avoided with better understanding and maintenance of your vehicle. So what causes this outrageous fuel wastage? Let's dive into it. The top culprits of high fuel consumption often lie in the car's mechanical issues. Let's start with dirty or faulty fuel injectors. They are like the heart of your car, pumping life, or in this case, fuel into the engine. When they're dirty or faulty, they can lead to inefficient fuel combustion, which means your car guzzles more fuel than it should. Next, worn-out spark plugs. These little guys ignite the fuel in your engine. When they're worn out, they can cause incomplete or inefficient combustion, which also leads to higher fuel consumption. Then we have malfunctioning oxygen sensors. These sensors give feedback to the engine control unit, or ECU, about the amount of oxygen in your engine. If they're off, your engine's efficiency can drop like a stone. A faulty fuel pump can disrupt the steady flow of fuel, causing your engine to run lean or rich. This imbalance can cause your car to drink fuel like it's going out of style. Clogged air filters restrict the airflow into your engine, making it work harder and burn more fuel. And let's not forget about poor tire condition or incorrect pressure. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which can make your engine work harder and increase fuel consumption. Dragging brakes put additional load on your engine, causing it to burn more fuel. And a faulty thermostat can prevent your engine from reaching its optimal operating temperature, which can also lead to higher fuel consumption. Addressing these mechanical issues will certainly put a dent in that fuel wastage, but what about other factors? Beyond mechanical issues, your vehicle's condition, maintenance, and even the fuel system itself can contribute to high fuel consumption. Take, for instance, misaligned wheels. They increase rolling resistance, which in turn makes your engine work harder, guzzling more fuel in the process. Then there's the matter of heavy loads or towing. The extra weight makes the engine strain more, leading to a surge in fuel consumption. It's akin to carrying a heavy backpack up a hill. You'll tire out faster, right? The same principle applies to your vehicle. Using lower octane fuel than recommended also plays its part. It can cause engine knocking and reduce efficiency. Think of it as trying to run a marathon after eating junk food. The wrong fuel, like the wrong food, can hamper performance. Lack of regular maintenance is another culprit. Skipping services can allow problems to pile up, slowly but surely reducing your vehicle's efficiency. It's like letting dust gather on a fan over time. The fan spins slower and works less effectively. Short trips, too, can be fuel guzzlers. The engine doesn't reach its optimal operating temperature, reducing efficiency. It's like turning your oven on and off repeatedly, wasting energy each time it has to heat up again. Now, let's shift gears to the fuel system. Fuel leaks, even small ones, can lead to significant fuel loss over time. It's like a leaky faucet, dripping away precious resources. A faulty fuel pressure regulator can result in fuel being sent back to the tank or improper fuel delivery. It's like a postman delivering mail to the wrong address. It doesn't help anyone and wastes energy in the process. Lastly, old or poor quality oil can increase engine friction, like trying to slide down a dry slide. It's not smooth and it's not fun. Proper vehicle maintenance and addressing these issues can significantly reduce fuel wastage. It's high time to make your car and wallet happier. Before we put the pedal to the metal and continue our journey into the world of fuel consumption, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Why, you ask? Our mission is to fuel your knowledge with insightful videos just like this one. You wouldn't want to miss out on the opportunity to stay in the fast lane of learning, would you? So hit that subscribe button and join our community of auto enthusiasts. Now buckle up as we get back to understanding more about fuel consumption.